Once more, the Shiba Inu whales are crazy. There are some big changes going on in the market. The last 24 hours have been really crazy. There are a lot of Shiba Inu moving around. What's really shocking is a very important measure that sounds the alarm for the whole crypto space. The market is running out of stuff to sell. There isn't much crypto left to buy. But what is really going on? Okay, let me explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A big find in the Shiba Inu market not long ago could mean a turning point for the coin. Shiba Inu bulls made a big statement when they bought $53 million worth of nearly 3 trillion Shiba Inu coins in just one day. Into the block data shows that this buy makes up about 0.5% of the moving stock of Shiba Inu. This is a major change that could start a market rising trend. But it wasn't just the bulls who were moving. On the same day, bears sold about 2.86 trillion Shiba Inu, which is worth $51 million. Even with the sale, there were still more buyers than sellers, which led to an $81 billion Shiba Inu demand gap. Shiba Inu is now up 40% for the month, which is very good news. This strong buying pressure has turned November green. Shiba Inu prices dropped by almost 4 in the early going. Shiba Inu is getting ready for a possible rise into the 4 to 0's 27 range, with resistance at 4 to 0's 28 and above. Shiba Inu's rise could go on if the bulls can keep up this pressure, but key pivot lines need to be protected to stop a negative turn. The market for Shiba Inu is back in full swing, as shown by the rise in activity. Investors are now closely watching for key support points that could determine Shiba Inu's next big move. But what's noteworthy is that the crypto market as a whole is also going through a similar thing. We're seeing a big trend, which was made clear by the fact that Bitcoin ETFs recently reached a new milestone. They now have more than $20 billion in net flows. This rise comes after a huge $2 billion inflow in just 1 week, which raised the total value of these ETFs' assets to a record high $65 billion. This fast growth is very different from the 5 years it took gold ETFs to achieve the same point. This shows that institutions are becoming more confident in Bitcoin as an asset class, and this trend has effects that go beyond Bitcoin. As you may already know, particularly if you've been reading our blog for a while, we've talked about how people thought that the growing interest among institutions in Bitcoin ETFs could have an effect on other cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu are one example, and it's interesting that this is what's happening. It's very important to know what's going on because any changes in Bitcoin have a huge effect on the price of Shiba Inu. Everything that happens with Shiba Inu will be completely unknown if we don't pay attention to Bitcoin. Now that we realize that, things start to get interesting. All of this with Bitcoin gets us to a very important point in the history of cryptocurrencies. Into the block data shows that an amazing 95% of Bitcoin addresses are now making money. This shows how strong the recent rise was and has the market excited about going up. But what's fascinating is that in the past, when such a large portion of addresses have made money, it has meant that momentum is strong, which could mean that more increases are on the way. But it also raises a possible red flag. When the market makes this much money, it usually goes through a downturn. What's going to happen next? Is the market ready for a drop, or will Bitcoin hit new highs? Investors are on edge, waiting for Bitcoin to make its next big move. To really understand where the market might go, we need to look more closely at how things are now. Altcoin Daily says that Bitcoin's price is getting closer to its all-time high, which is interesting. However, a strange trend is starting to show itself. Bitcoin isn't being searched for as much as it used to be. This difference is striking and needs to be looked at closely. As prices rise, there is usually more interest in Bitcoin, and search numbers go through the roof as new buyers rush to get in on the trend. Even though Bitcoin's price has recently gone up, fewer people seem to be using it online. This difference points to a possible gap between how prices move and what people are interested in. For experienced buyers, this could mean a great chance. It reminds me of the old saying, buy low, sell high. As interest from most people wanes, those who are already involved may be able to make money before most people do. The lack of activity makes us wonder if the market is about to blow up again, or if people are just getting used to things, which could cause a sudden change. But this measure might be the most important one to think about right now. According to Miles Docher, the amount of money held by Bitcoin exchanges is now at an all-time low. This big drop in prices means that there may soon be a shortage of goods, which could push prices up. When markets have fewer Bitcoins for sale, it usually means that buyers are choosing to hold on to their assets instead of selling them. This makes things scarce, which has generally caused prices to go up. As long as demand stays high, the small quantity can make Bitcoin more expensive. It will be important to keep an eye on how the market responds to this falling supply over the next few weeks. If demand keeps going up, prices could be about to go through the roof. This might be the next big thing, especially for Shiba Inu, and it could change everything. Early user of Bitcoin Jeremy Da Vinci recently made news when he said he was positive about joke coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu during this market cycle. His prediction is that the market value of all meme coins could hit an amazing $1 trillion. Just to give you an idea, this number is almost as high as Bitcoin's present market cap, which is about $1 trillion. Da Vinci's claim is backed up by evidence, especially since these coins have done very well in earlier rounds. One time, Dogecoin had a market cap of an amazing $89 billion, and Shiba Inu had a market cap of $40 billion. It's clear from these impressive numbers that the joke coin market has a lot of room to grow. Since Dogecoin recently went up 18%, Da Vinci's prediction makes buyers in the joke coin community even more excited. Dogecoin has a market value of about $35 billion right now, while Shiba Inu has a market value of about $15 billion. Even though the future is positive, both coins have been going down lately. As this shows, the meme coin market is often very unstable. However, it also shows that smart buyers can make money when prices go back up. Da Vinci's bold statement shows that people are becoming more sure that meme coins can be used as real investments. Based on this opinion, the meme coin market could continue to grow and bring in new buyers who want to get in on the action. As the market grows and develops, these coins are going from being seen as a joke to being seen as real financial tools with real promise. In a time when meme coins were thought to be short-lived trends, Da Vinci's ideas could point to a turning point for Shiba Inu and other similar dogs. There is a lot of excitement because the market cap could reach $1 trillion. Fans and investors alike are paying close attention to this space, eager to determine if Shiba Inu and other joke coins can really ride this wave of positivity and reach their full potential. And this is really what we've been asking for a long time. People need to act now. Shiba Inu needs to do something right now. What do you think about this, though? Tell us what you think in the comments. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.